Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. In today's video, I'm showing you how to use Zalo without phone number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Zalo requires a phone number to create and use an account. There is currently no official way to use Zalo without phone number. Unlike apps like Telegram or Facebook Messenger, Zalo ties each account directly to Vietnamese or international phone number. So, some workarounds that you can use is using a virtual or temporary number. You can try using virtual phone number services like TextNow, Google Voice or ReceiveSMS.com, or you can also use a secondary SIM. If you have an extra SIM, simply register Zalo with that number and then complete the OTP verification and lastly log into Zalo and use it number. Just make sure you have access to that number for future logins or recovery. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.